Would you like to create a bikini cover in 10 minutes from an old scarf? Hey all, my name is Nurit and welcome to my channel. It is finally okay to go to the beach and I'm planning to go tomorrow, so I'm making myself a bikini cover. It should be fast. Go find yourself an old scarf and let's start. You should fold the scarf on 4 layers. See? This is the length. That way you will have access to the middle of the cover up, and then we can cut the neckline. Take a t-shirt or a dress or something that you like the shape of the neckline, and then place it over the scarf so you can mark exactly what you want to cut. Cut this like this so you will have the back part of the neckline. And now for the front, you're going to trace along this the pattern that you have. So remove this one. And I'll use this pattern to cut the other side. See? I'm placing it above, and I'm going to cut exactly same measurement. Now I'm going to put it on and see exactly if the neckline is wide enough and I like it, and also I'm going to place pins exactly on the side where I want to sew this cover up. I placed pin on the bottom of the cover up because I want to level, to know exactly where is the bottom of the dress, to tie them together. And then I also placed pins exactly on the shoulders so I will know to level the v-neck and place it right on my body. And now that I had it on, I could see where I want to start stitching. I'm only going to do very little stitching because you want it to be clear and flowing and loose and airy, and you don't want it to be covering too much like a dress. About the neckline, there are several ways to close the opening of the neckline. If your scarf doesn't fray, you can leave it like this, just cut and that's it. But if your fabric, the fabric that you use, or your scarf fray, you want to have a nice finish so it will look better and sustain longer. So the one thing you can do is fold the neckline and then fold it again and sew along the stitch all over. If you have a rolled hem foot, you can also use this. It will roll the hem and create this double folded finish as you go. And another thing you can use is the bias tape. I have here a gray bias tape which I thought about using, but I think I will just do the rolled hem. The bias tape might give it a more heavy feeling, and this is a bikini cover. We want it to be easy and flowing, so I'm just going to use the double hem foot and finish the raw edges of the neckline. I always like to practice rolled hem with the scrap fabric that I have. I remove the old foot and now I'm going to place this foot below and then nothing. Now let me show you how to do this rolled hem thing easily. All you need to do is to take a small pin and then you need to fold the fabric once and fold it again and place the pin. Now you're going to place the whole thing under the rope hook. The right side of the fabric is facing down and the left side is up, and then you're going to make a few stitches, regular stitch and stop, and then you're going to remove the pin and raise the lever and try squeezing this part into this little loop, and now you will continue sewing. Let me show you how it turned out. Very nicely. This is the wrong side and this is the right side of the fabric. Very nice stitches, and it's clear and lightweighted, so it's a success. Now let's do it on the actual neckline. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.